Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, oh boy, we got two boxes of the newly released 2024-2025 Extended. Interestingly, with this box, we're not going to be necessarily looking for too many of the young guns. I think Will Smith is one of the only truly desirable young guns out of this box. It's going to be the inserts that we're really looking for. Oracles, numbered cards, black and white canvas, pink dazzler, lots of other things. You will notice, however, that there is no Lane Hudson, no Celebrini, no Mitch Koff, young gun sitting back there, and that's because we didn't get any. So switching our efforts, I do not expect us to get the Chase, which is going to be the grade 8, handwritten, numbered 1 to 8. That card's going to be absolutely insane. Let's go ahead and crack into box number 1. I am shooting with a new lens. The image quality should be much better. However, I'm not going to get as much zoom as I would like. So we are going to probably have to kind of deal with it. It might look a little janky at some points, but bear with me while we explore how we want to shoot this stuff from now on. And let's get cracking. All right, and our first checklist right off the rip, okay. Maverick Bork, rookies, first numbered card. Interesting rookie, not really one of the ones we're necessarily looking for. And R2 Harvey, I think, I don't know. Frank Nazar Beehive, which these got a lot better looking in my opinion compared to last year. I think what I'm going to end up doing is probably sleeving all these at the end of each box, doing a little review with you guys. Second pack in a row where it started with a horizontal card. A lot of horizontal cards here, wow. Silver Skates, Brady Tkachuk. Pros and Prospects, this is Ovi. UD Canvas, Jake DeBrusk, who is on the Canucks. Not a Bruin anymore. And base. Gotta keep an eye out on some of the variations. You know, some of the things like Day with a Cup or alternative art. I've seen quite a few people pulling already, so just gonna be on the eye out for those things. Another Pros and Prospects. This one is gold, and it is Denton Mateychuk. And okay, looks like this is a Maverick Bork box. We got his draft day as well here. And a Pat Maroon outburst, not bad. Love us some Patty Maroon around here. All right, off to a halfway decent start, I think. Okay, Future Impact, Jack Eichel. Not bad. Don't know what the odds are on that one. Oop. Oracles, William Eklund. Encore, Tyler Toffoli. Once again, more horizontal cards here. Rookie Reflections, Lane Hudson. There we go. It's one of the inserts that we are looking for. Kirill Kaprizov, Oracles, Jesper Wallstead, Pros and Prospects. And we got Jonathan Lecker-Mikey, maybe. I'm not sure. Silver Skates, Noah Dobson. UD Canvas, Mark Scheifele. And filling out with some more base. I will say the canvas cards feel phenomenal. think cracking into the first pack of the other half of the box here. Seamus Casey, Rookie Reflections. And Young Guns, Isaiah George. Beehive, Chris Kreider. And some base. And there we go. Will Smith. I can't remember what this one. Triple Rookie Reflections. I'm not sure. Silver Skates. Jonathan Lekermaki. Marco Rossi on the canvas. And the standard base. We'll keep her going. Like this one, is this? Nope, this is a standard, even though it's got his All-Star jersey, which that doesn't make much sense to me. Oh, look at that. Dusted Wolf. Black and white canvas. Gorgeous. Great player, too. Great picture. Wow. Young Guns, Owen Pickering. Not a bad one there. And Mikko Rantanen on the Pros and Prospects. What a gorgeous card. Take a look. The edges. Edges look pretty nice. What a beaut. Absolute beaut. Alright. Happy with this box and what it's given us so far. That was definitely worth it. And we got another excellent insert here. I'm sorry if that wasn't focused. Future Impact, Matvei Michkov. Encore, Nathan McKinnon. And Brandon Montour on the canvas. Love me some canvas. Okay, 2 packs to go from box number 1. Thinking canvas, that black and white canvas might be it for the box, but we will see. We might get lucky, who knows. Rookie Reflections, Callum Ritchie. Fedor Svechnikov, Draft Days. Okay, once again, not quite one we're going to be looking for. Taylor Hall on the Blue Dazzler. Okay, once again, not quite what we're looking for out of this box, but that's fine. Last pack, box number 1. I think I saw another Oracles, but I'm not sure. Silver Skates, Alex Barkov. Wow. Okay. Purple. Pink. Logan Malo. Oh my God. It's falling down. London Bridge. I don't know if that's just the color of the rookie or what, but nice. Beehive, Tage Thompson. And that's going to round out box number 1. All right, so just a quick recap on box number 1. Beautiful black and white canvas, Dustin Wolf. Patty Maroon on the Outburst. And then pink Oracles, I still haven't seen what the rarity is on that one, but Logan Mayo. William Eklund, Kirill Kaprizov on the standard Oracles. Future Impact, Michkov, Rookie Reflections, Lane Hudson. Rookie premieres on Maverick Bork. This is 992 of 999. And Will Smith on, I can't remember what the name of this one is. Not a bad first box. We are going to jump straight into box number 2. Number 2 over there. Hopefully I don't smash my face every time I try to reach across and grab. Something shiny right there already. Silver Skates, Mark Stone. Rutger McGroarty, Draft Day. Frank Nazar, Encore. Pack number 2. Elias Pettersson, Future Impact. Pros and Prospects, Denton Matachuk again. I think this one is not gold though. Samuel Urson on the canvas. And some base. And the same checklist. That's always lovely. Liam Ogren. Silver Skates, Rupe Hintz. Young Guns canvas on Helga Grands. Okay, one that I have no idea. And a bunch of base. That's a cool picture. Like those jerseys. Okay, boing. Rookie Reflections, Jonathan, this guy again. Shitload of his cards. Brendan Othman on the Rookie Draft Day. And Mitchkoff, Blue Dazzler. All right. I suppose that's fine. A lot of all-star jersey pictures here, it seems. Silver Skates, Logan Stankoven. Adam Fantilli. And, all right, Encore, Macklin Celebrini. So far, not doing as hot as the first box. Oop, oop, oop. That was a clear-cut Young Gun I saw. We got Riley Smith here. Oh, no, it wasn't a clear-cut Young Gun. It was Danton Heinen, clear-cut. With Justin, you can go ahead and try to pronounce that last name. Which, is that the first one out of this box? Holy mackerel. Beehive, Tim Stutzla. And some more base, making sure we don't have anything silly in there. Ooh, that was a McAvoy Pastrnak back-to-back. Gold. Oh, wow. Wowie, wowie. That is a gold Silver Skates for the one Lane Hudson, numbered 87 of 250. Beautiful. And, all right, not the Will Smith Young Gun, but the checklist. And the Encore Austin Matthews, along with some base. Surely that was maxed out on our luck. Unless that was just the one numbered card for the box, but we shall see. Okay, Will Smith Future Impact. We like that. Pros and Prospects. That's not gold, I don't think. My eyes are just deceiving me. Sidney Crosby. And UD Canvas, Pierre-Luc Dubois. Oh boy, okay. We got a lot of him. This one's gold, Pros and Prospects. Young Guns, Owen Pickering. Cam Talbot on the Outburst. Very nice. Logan Mallow. Wouldn't get lucky enough for another Lane Hudson, I don't think. Mika Zibanejad. Silver Skates. UD Canvas, Kent Johnson. Rookie Premiers, Samuel Hosnick. Another numbered card. Got super lucky there, I suppose. And the wrong Canadian, but that's okay. Logan Mailloux on the draft day. Sid the Kid on the Beehive. Rookie Reflections, Olin Zellweger. Matthew Tkachuk, everybody's favorite player. The Oracles, Pros and Prospects, Liam Ogren. And that looks like it's going to do it for box number 2. Alright, so to wrap up box number 2, we get some halfway decent pulls from this one. I don't think anything as spectacular as the first box, but Cam Talbot on the Outburst, not a bad one. Blue Dazzler Michkov, Encore Celebrini. We got a clear-cut Danton Heinen. This one's more of a personal collection item. We've got Will Smith on the Future Impact. Rookie Premiers, Samuel Hosnick. And the gem, what might be the whole video, maybe? I'm not sure. What the Dustin Wolf black and white. I really like that one. Silver Skates, Gold Silver Skates, Lane Hudson. Number 97, I think I said, right? 87 of 250. Beautiful card. Very happy with the pull. If you guys like the video and want to see more, make sure to subscribe. We've got a Series 1 and an Allure. Yeah, we've got a 2024-2025 Series 1 and a 2024-2025 Allure unboxing coming probably next week. So stay tuned for that one. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.